Archaeoastronomical observation platform. Morro da Galheta, a monument of stone. A calendar of light. A dialogue with time. Welcome. On November 25, 1988, I encountered something extraordinary. A monumental block of stone, approximately 7 meters high and 7 meters long. A colossal presence rising on the hillside, supported by 3 bases, resting upon a lower rock. Balanced, stable, silent for centuries. This is not an ordinary stone. It is architecture integrated into the landscape. Its arrangement did not seem random. There was intention, there was direction. Over time, it became clear that this block marks, on the horizon, the sun's annual movement. But the observation is not limited to the moment of sunrise. Along the profile of Morro da Galheta, when the sun rises approximately 15 degrees above the horizon, its light strikes the upper rock formations with greater precision. That is when the reading reveals itself. The shadows sharpen, the alignments become visible. The landscape ceases to be mere scenery. It becomes an instrument, a natural angular marker. Understanding this elevation of the sun makes it possible to observe the cycles. At the beginning of summer, the sun rises in the direction of Pedra Virada. During the autumn and spring equinoxes, the alignment shifts toward the central menhir. At the beginning of winter, the sun rises above the sea. Its rising point shifts to the far edge of the horizon in the direction of another rock block, a block that appears to have been placed there to mark this significant moment. The winter solstice. It is the point at which the sun reaches approximately 58 degrees of azimuth. At the moment its light meets the silhouette of the hill. There, the alignment reveals itself, not only at sunrise, but at the instant when the solar disk touches the profile of the landscape. It is in this meeting between light and relief that the marking is confirmed, a precise direction, a direction that, according to calculations made using Google Earth, coincides with the same alignment as the pyramids of Giza in Egypt. This is not merely landscape, it is spatial orientation, angular reading. When the sun reaches that specific point on the horizon, the annual cycle reaches its extreme. It is the limit, it is the turning point, it is the mark of winter, and the rock positioned in that direction transforms that instant into reference, into record, into stone memory of time, earth, sky, time, a dialogue between humanity and the Earth's movement within the cosmos. Over the years, we conducted studies, we published scientific articles, we requested recognition of this site as cultural heritage. Even so, this monument is at risk. The area may give way to the construction of a private residence. If that happens, we will not lose only stones. We will lose memory. We will lose a marker of time. We will lose a point of connection between landscape and knowledge. But there is still time. If you believe in the importance of preserving this place, you can help us. By acquiring our books, you contribute directly to the fund dedicated to purchasing this property, so that this monument may remain protected, standing, alive, accessible to future generations. Preservation is a collective act, and this trail is more than a walk. It is a calling, an invitation to look at the sky and understand time. Thank you for walking with us.